In this video, you will learn how to buy the Metis token and how you can actually bridge this Metis token either from the Binance Smart Chain to the Metis Andromeda ecosystem or from the Ethereum mainnet to the Andromeda ecosystem. I'll also show you a really easy way to do it using the Gate.io exchange. My name is Kierin and you're watching the Decentralized Lifestyle. If you like Metis type of content, I highly recommend that you subscribe, especially if you want to learn how to invest like smart money. The three that I recommend that you use is either PancakeSwap, Uniswap on Ethereum, but you will have a bit higher gas fees. And the other one is using the decentralized exchange Gate.io. Another way to find some good places where to buy Metis token or any token for that matter is you go onto dexscreener.com. And then here you can actually just search the token that you want to buy, and it will actually show you many different decentralized exchanges, including the liquidity. The liquidity is going to be the most important part, because if you don't have enough liquidity when you buy $5,000, $10,000 worth of Metis token, you're going to have extremely high slippage. So here you get all the different decentralized exchanges. So here you've got Uniswap, the one that we just mentioned before. You've got SushiSwap. So if we compare both of them, it looks like this Uniswap here. If we look at this, you see the price $273. And what is important is the liquidity. The liquidity is 9.7 million. This is really important. That's very good liquidity. That means if you buy $20,000 worth of Metis, you won't impact the price too much, meaning you have a low slippage. Slippage is basically the difference between the price that you want to buy and the price that you actually are buying. And if you look at here on the SushiSwap pair, you see the liquidity is only 89,000. That means buying $10,000 worth of Metis is going to move the price up a lot, and selling $10,000 worth of Metis is going to move the price down lower. If we scroll down below, then you also get the PancakeSwap Metis wrapped BNB pair. Liquidity is 2.2 million, so this is good. So the only two decentralized exchanges that I suggest is either the Uniswap one, because it's got $9.7 million in liquidity, and the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. Now, if you are only trading small amounts, that means like less than $2,000, then go with PancakeSwap, because using Ethereum, the gas fees are just super painful. But now let's say you want to buy some Metis on PancakeSwap. What you do, and this is the easiest way not to get scammed and like buy the wrong token, is you just click on this pair here. It will open up a chart, and then on the right hand side here you can just click on trade on PancakeSwap. It will open up the PancakeSwap exchange. You can switch to the Binance Smart Chain, and then here you can actually buy a Metis token. Sometimes it doesn't really work, and you're going to have to change the pair to Metis and then click on that. It's sometimes something that happens on the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. By the way, if you want early access to alpha trades that I do, technical and on-chain analysis deep dives, and I highly recommend you join the DeFi Academy. Like here I posted this really awesome trade where I took some profit at $322 for Metis and planned on buying back way lower, and actually bought back quite a bit lower at the $257 level at around $262. So if you want early access to trades, technical and on-chain analysis, deep dives, gems, and so on, then join the DeFi Academy. It's an awesome community, and yeah, you definitely don't want to be missing that. Last really great place where you can actually buy some Metis tokens is on an exchange called Gate.io. So you just have to create an account, very similar to Binance. You create an account, do your KYC, and then you fund your account with USDC or USDT. But I believe in order to buy Metis tokens, you have to have USDT on your account. Then what you want to do is you just click here on trade, and then you click on professional. That will open up the Gate.io chart. And then here you're going to open up the Metis pair. So just type in ME, and you can see the Metis pairs here with USDT. The liquidity is not that great on Gate.io, but the awesome thing with Gate.io is it allows you to set limit orders. So you can buy at lower prices if you feel like the price is going to go lower, or you can actually sell and dollar cost average out of your position by setting sell limit orders. All right, so with that out of the way, let me actually share with you how you can actually move your Metis tokens to the Andromeda ecosystem. So In another video, I was talking about what exactly the Andromeda ecosystem is, but in short, it's basically an Ethereum layer 2, meaning using the Ethereum security, but with lower gas fees and higher transactions per second, which is phenomenal. Allows you to use dApps without paying like super high gas fees. But in order to use like different apps on the Andromeda ecosystem, you're going to have to use your Metis tokens, and for that, you're going to have to bridge. So let's start with Gate.io, how to move your Metis tokens from Gate.io to your MetaMask wallet. So what you want to do is you actually click here on the little Gate icon, and then you go onto your wallet. So I assume you already bought some Metis tokens, and then you click on withdraw. And then here you can actually select the token that you'd like to withdraw. So I've got some Metis tokens on this account, so select Metis. Now, if you haven't done the installation part for MetaMask, I highly recommend that you do that part first. There are quite a few tutorials on how to install MetaMask, so I recommend that you look at those. And when you've installed MetaMask, you want to add the Metis Andromeda mainnet. And to do that, you actually just go to chainlist.org, which is like a library for many different ecosystems that you can add to MetaMask. So here you just type in Metis, and then you can add the Metis Andromeda mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. You just click on connect and then click on add to MetaMask, and it will allow you to access the Andromeda mainnet through MetaMask. So when you want to use dApps on Andromeda, what you want to do is you click the MetaMask icon, and then here you change to the Metis Andromeda mainnet. All right. Now what you want to do is now copy your MetaMask address, because you want to send your Metis tokens to this MetaMask address. So you go back to Gate.io, and then here you've got the Metis token selected. And this is an extremely important point. You have to select the Metis chain. If you're sending Metis tokens to the Andromeda ecosystem, you want to use the Metis chain. If you use ETH ERC20, you're going to lose your tokens. All right, so here you're going to paste your Metis address. So that's the MetaMask address that we just copied. So that's 0x84BC. Let me quickly check this again. 0x84AF91, AF91. Perfect. So I'm going to send the maximum amount of Metis that I have. So it's, let's say 103.66. That's 5. Perfect. Type in my password, and I'm gonna have to do all these security information. I'll skip past this part of the video. Perfect. So now send some Metis tokens to my MetaMask wallet. Let's continue with bridging. Let's say you bought some Metis tokens. Let's say you bought some Metis tokens on Uniswap or PancakeSwap, and you actually want to move them to the Andromeda ecosystem. For that, you're going to need a bridge. You can imagine as both of these ecosystems being islands, and you need a bridge to move from one to the other. So there are quite a few bridges available, and I'm going to share with you which ones I particularly like. So if you go and look at the first one is the Metis Bridge, which would be from the Ethereum ecosystem to the Metis Andromeda layer 2, and you can do that with bridge.metis.io. I'll link it down in the description below. And here it's rather straightforward. Let's say you already bought your Metis tokens. You just connect with your MetaMask wallet, and then here you have to make sure that you're on the Ethereum mainnet. And then you would actually select Metis. I'd assume you'd have some tokens here that you could actually bridge, and you would actually also be sending it to the same wallet address. So even though you change the chain, the wallet address always stays the same. It's just the chain that is changing. So that's a good thing. So you just type in all the information, click on approve, and it will go through rather fast. So the Ethereum side might take a little bit longer, but the Andromeda mainnet side actually goes through rather fast. So that's that. For the next one, you can actually use the seller bridge, which is also pretty awesome. It's also from the Ethereum ecosystem to the Andromeda. The way that it works is the same way. You connect your MetaMask wallet from Ethereum, you can actually send to the Metis mainnet. Then you've also got some BSC bridges. If you want to move from the Binance Smart Chain to the Metis Andromeda ecosystem, you can use bridge.poly.network. I've used this one quite a few times. I think this one is fantastic, and it works basically the same way. You have to connect your MetaMask wallet to the bridge.poly network. So here you just click on connect wallet, connect BSC. So let's say if I want to move from BSC to Metis, I'm going to change this to the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. So click on Binance Smart Chain. And I'm actually going to select Metis. So type in Metis. Click here from Binance Smart Chain to Metis. And then here I can type in the amount. So I would say like 5 Metis or so on. I click on connect wallet. I'm going to have to connect on the Binance Smart Chain. So connect MetaMask and then connect MetaMask here as well. When I've done that, I just click on next and then send these Metis tokens from the Binance Smart Chain to the Metis network. This is actually rather fast, much faster than the Ethereum bridge. There are 3 other bridges that you can maybe try. I haven't tried them personally. Those are the Boring DAO or portal.boring DAO. Then you've got the multi-chain bridge, which is app.multichain.org, and then relay chain. I'll link all of these down below. So if one doesn't work for you, you can try another one. But that's basically how you can actually bridge from BSC or the Ethereum mainnet to the Metis Andromeda ecosystem. That was it for this video. In the next videos, I'll be talking about super awesome dApps, decentralized exchanges on the Metis ecosystem. I'll be talking about Metis price prediction, how I believe it can surpass the Polygon market cap, and that would be like an insane price valuation. And I'll also be talking about a lot of fundamentals behind the project. So I definitely recommend that you stick around and then you subscribe for much more awesome Metis content. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.